Today's Creative Mom. I'm Jill and this is my friend Kinley. And today we're going to show you a cute, adorable monkey that you can make with just some chocolate frosting and some black icing and some little mini vanilla wafers. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right, let's start. We'll show you the ingredients you need and then we'll let you show you how we're going to do it. All right. So the things you're going to need, well, this is actually how it's going to turn out. You need a cupcake. I'm using chocolate. I decided to go ahead and buy the black icing. It's very difficult to make black icing. So just to make it easier, I bought that at the grocery store. These are those mini vanilla wafers that are perfect for his ears and his mouth. And then I just made some chocolate icing, which is really just buttercream icing that you can find at my website at todayscreativemom.com. And then I just added some unsweetened cocoa powder, or you can add brown food coloring, but I actually like the color when you actually add the cocoa. And then I'm using a Ziploc bag with some tape reinforcement. I'm gonna make a little hole so that I can make his little ears. You ready? Let's get started. All right, Kelly, I'm gonna have you actually ice the cupcakes. You're just gonna take a spatula. You can actually hold it in your hand. You're just gonna go meow all over on the top, okay?
Okay.
So go ahead and ice that. And I'm going to make sure, because you have to go through these cookies to make sure there's no nicks in them. You did a good job. Like that, so we're not gonna use that piece. Some of these are broken, so these are perfect. All right, and I already reinforced my Ziploc bag with some tape, and then I made a tiny little cut so that we can do the ears. All right, let me finish that up for you. So, almost done. What I like to do is I like to put a lot of icing on and then take some off. That way you're not gonna get all the... This is gonna be a delicious cupcake because it's chocolate.
People love chocolate.
Oh my goodness, I know, I love chocolate.
People always love watermelon too, but Brian doesn't even like watermelon.
Watermelon?
It's crazy. Yeah.
Yeah, you know, it's funny, my younger son doesn't like watermelon either. It's kind of funny. So you're just gonna kind of, if you don't have a little spatula, you can use the back end of a knife. All right, so we're going to stick, go ahead and stick this right here in the middle. That's gonna be his little nose part. Then you're gonna stick one there and then one across. Monkey's ears kind of go out, like ours aren't like that. So now I'm using this, which I just cut the tip. I always test it on my finger first so it doesn't splatter out. So I'm gonna do a little eye, two little eyes, and his nose kind of looks like a little oval, a little face mouth. Then using our leftover, which we put in the bag, we're just going to kind of outline. Oh, didn't cut it big enough. Wheel. Should have tested that, huh? After I just said that. There we go. Go across. Making sure not to, like that, and like this. Would be great for like a zoo party or like a safari party or someone, a little boy or a little girl that just loves monkeys. Kind of look different in a way, like brother and sister. Thanks for helping me today, Kimberly.